finna get me arrested? You serious?
On today's body cam, we're checking out enraged girlfriend goes crazy when she walks in on boyfriend cheating, ends badly.
On January 25th, 2026, officers responded to a residence for a call of a domestic dispute caused when a woman suspected her partner of being unfaithful.
What's going on? All right, we just got to figure out what's going on.
Can you go to jail?
All right, we're going to focus on a couple things at first, right? Got an idea?
He bit me real hard.
Do you
And he
have an
punched
idea?
me.
You have an idea on you?
No, I don't got my ID with me. I got my work ID.
That's fine. Let me see it.
Well, I gotta hang up. I gotta talk to this officer.
No, you don't have to hang up. You can talk to them, but you don't have to hang up.
He threw me on the bed.
Right.
All that. Me and him, we've been together for 3 years. So I came up here to pick up my items that I need for work. And I was knocking. I said who I was. He didn't want to ask because he had a girl in here.
Okay.
Okay, cool. This your house. So he opened the door. And I came in. He let me in. Soon as he didn't want me to see the girl, I knew it was a girl in here. So he picked me up. He locked me in the room. Well, the officer was like, let her out the room or whatever.
Okay.
And she was like, man, what's wrong? I was screaming. He bit me. I'm like, I'm trying to
Let's hear
leave.
him.
I'm like, I'm trying to leave.
Okay.
He bit me.
Okay.
I hit him too. But he threw me on the bed and he was holding me. The officer was like,
Why did he pick you up?
because he didn't want me to live out the room to see the girl. I didn't care. She was in. He was here. Please leave. He told her to rush out so I won't see her. So he was holding me hostage in the room. Both of us was in the room. He was so adamant on not wanting me to see the girl.
Her story is all over the place. First, she said that she was trying to leave, right? But if you was trying to leave and she says all she was doing is trying to go. But if that was the case, then you wouldn't have came in there knowing that he has a girl in there. So I could just picture in my mind what really happened. She know that he got a girl in there. She came unannounced or whatever the case may be. And she done boomed the crib and tried to get at the girl. And he trying to separate them two because he got caught out there, man. But she probably just went nuts.
Okay. So you came unannounced. Well, then what happened?
Huh?
So let's talk everything from the beginning, right? You came unannounced.
Unannounced.
Yeah, that's fine. All right, and then what happened? You knock on the door. He lets you in. What do you mean he lets you in?
He was trying to come out.
Okay, he was trying to come out. You forced yourself in. That's fine. And what else?
He threw me in the room. Well, he was trying to get me out, and then he knocked both of us in the room, telling the girl to leave out the living room.
Okay. And then what happened?
He was on the phone with the police during that, and then y'all came.
Okay.
No, let's get to the part to where you was beating on him. Yeah, let's get to that part. Don't skip over that.
You're skipping a lot of parts here.
I'm
Okay?
not.
Yes, you are. Okay. So you come in, right? You come in. He doesn't want to see a girl. You go into a room, right?
He put me in the room.
Yes, you said that. And then what happens in the room?
For maybe like 3 or 4 minutes, I was trying to get out the room.
Okay, how are you trying to get out the room?
Trying to get past him.
Okay. And how are you trying to get past him? Explain.
The lady was on the phone. I'm like, let me out. She was like, temporary. I'm like, I'm trying to get out.
Okay. So you said you hit him?
He bit me. Yeah, I hit him.
Okay. So you hit him, he bites you, right?
No, I was trying to get out and he bit me.
Okay, I need to find out exactly what's going on, right?
And he cheated. And I came here to get my stuff.
Okay. So did you hit him with a closed fist? I just need details.
I slapped him.
Okay, you slapped him right, left hand, what?
Yeah, probably.
You're right or left handed?
I don't know.
You're right or left handed?
I'm left-handed.
Okay, so probably your left dominant hand. All right, so slap him. Does he bite you after that? How's your finger get to his mouth? He's a lot taller than you, right?
He bit me.
I know. How does that happen?
I smacked him.
Okay, you smacked him, bites you, and then
The lady was on the phone.
I got you. That's what I'm saying, right? And then what happens?
I got in here. And
Okay.
y'all came.
Okay.
He know he got one. He be trying.
You got her finger? No. Did you have another girl in here? I just need it for the sake of the report. It's not a criminal offense or anything to have another girl. Did she witness everything? Did she witness anything or she ran out? Okay. Okay. So you're not willing to sign complaints? Still gonna have to be arrested.
Yeah, that's typically how it goes. You know, domestic, somebody going to jail. He doesn't want to put her in jail. But on the flip side, he calling the police because he need help. You got caught out there, man. But hey, he didn't play it smooth because, well, you know what? I can't even put it on him like that because he didn't know that she was coming. She just popped up. But yeah, still, you in a relationship with a chick for 3 years, man. Just call it quits. You know what I mean? And then go do your thing.
Barged in your house and slapped you in the face. So she's gonna be arrested. No.
He held me hostage. Why would I go to jail?
Okay. You barged in his house.
He opened the door and let me in. He knew it was
You
me.
told he didn't let you in. You're
But
supposed to.
he tried to come out the door, and I have property here. I'm always
It doesn't
here.
matter. You're not supposed to come in someone's house when you're not supposed to.
But he held me hostage in the room. The other lady, the dispatcher, she was telling him, let her go. Let her out the room.
Okay.
They all the same.
Yeah, but you skipping parts. You talking about let you out the room, but you barged your way into the house to begin with.
Ones that he called. He was not listening to that lady. I'm like, ma'am, I'm trying to leave. I'm trying to leave.
Was the battery down or? Okay. All right, well, sorry, you have to go. So.
You really finna get me arrested?
He doesn't want to get you
It's
arrested.
not doing it. We are.
You really finna get me arrested? You finna get me arrested?
Stop.
You serious? Don't call my phone, bro. You gonna be calling my phone again. You bogus. That's so tight.
Because you're fighting us.
I'm not.
Yeah, just
You really get me arrested?
Look on the phone. Look.
Bro, you really finna get me
He
arrested?
doesn't want to get you arrested.
It has nothing to do with whether he wants to press charges or not. He already told the officers that he doesn't want to make a statement or he doesn't want anything to happen. But when officers show up in a domestic situation, somebody is going to jail, whoever the aggressor is. And she is the aggressor. She came over and barged her way into the crib and pimp slapped him, man.
We have to because of Illinois domestic violence. We have to.
Bro, don't call my phone no more. You bogus.
Central from 704, Mark 1 female 95.
Can you get my wallet? I need that for work.
Where's your wallet at?
Probably right here. Just make sure I got my wallet.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we got it. All right, well, hold on.
Is this her wallet?
Yes. You got my work ID?
Yep, I got it in my pocket.
Okay. Good.
How long I gotta be there?
We'll talk about the station, all right?
All right.
Come on, let's go.
You bogus.
Go. Up to him.
You mad because you got caught cheating?
Go.
You mad because you got caught cheating? You mad because you got caught cheating?
This one. Yes.
Please.
It'll just be a charge.
So if he doesn't show up to court, he's getting dropped, all right?
Huh?
If he doesn't show up to court, he's getting dropped, but it's not up to him at this point. All right? Based on what we heard today, we have to.
He popped up to my house too and did the same thing.
Okay, you should have called us then. All right? There's nothing we can do about that now. We're doing this situation, all right?
Can you talk to her?
Yeah, we can talk to her.
I mean, like right now on the phone.
Not right now. Because I got to drive and, ooh, I got checked.
I'm going here with other women.
No,
Please, I don't want them to rape me for real.
you're not getting raped.
I ain't never been to jail.
Yeah, Big Bertha gonna be there waiting on you. See? She know what time it is. She's heard the horror stories. That's why she said that. She said, am I gonna be in there with other women? Yeah. Either way, she heard the horror stories.
That down. No.
Gotta keep your hands to yourself.
All right, then you're gonna be in the ambulance for a long time,
Sorry,
then.
don't worry about it.
All right, do you want an ambulance or
I
not?
don't know. No, I don't.
Okay,
I mean, loosen it.
I got you. I'll take them off at the station. We're right down the block.
Okay.
Central from 704. You could 22 the ambulance. All right, real quick, I gotta do a quick pat down with the back of my hands. Make sure you got no weapons. Back of my
Why
hands.
you gotta do it up here in a private area?
I didn't say private area. I gotta check your pockets. Do you have any knives, weapons, bombs, anything? Okay, I have to check. Just
You gotta touch my butt?
No,
Okay.
just pockets. All right, what's this?
Probably makeup. Yeah.
All right, turn around. Thank you. Told you. Quick. We'll go on the other side and. All right. I guess I'm making sure you don't fall. I'm staying right here. He's going on the other side. He's got buckled in. Okay.
All right. I don't want to get buckled in. I might fall.
How you gonna fall if you get buckled in? The exact reason.
My arms ain't free.
Yeah, but that's what the buckle's for.
Y'all really, he manipulates y'all. That's crazy. Y'all supposed to be trained to know. Listen to the lady recording. She was asking him to let me go.
Once again, you should have never barged into his house. Okay? Period. It's not no manipulation. It's none of that. You shouldn't have barged into his house.
Yeah, she barged in the house. He didn't want her in there.
Yeah, that's what
She slapped him, and that's how his face got. That's how she probably got cut. And he has a slap mark right here. His neck scratched.
That's what it's
They have to.
She got him
You agree?
together.
Yeah, that's fine. You're good. You're good. I'm good.
Making sure that we're on the same page here.
The woman was charged with battery and unlawful restraint.